I'm Holly Glenn. I'm the recruiting manager for Wolfram. Since 1987, Wolfram Research went from a software startup to a global powerhouse in computational technology. In the traditional fields of science, engineering, and math, we are now in areas like data science, finance, biotech, and many more across many different industries. We have 700 employees. We have always been headquartered in Champaign, Illinois, but now we have offices also in Europe, South America, and Asia. Since I joined the company, I've hired nearly 1,000 people. As a recruiting manager, I manage full-cycle recruiting efforts for full-time, part-time, and internship positions, both technical and non-technical. I also oversee university relations, career fair engagements, and our internship program. I don't think I have a one management style because I'm so much like a chameleon, and I think you have to be in the recruiting industry. What works for one employee isn't what I would take that approach to the next, but I think that they respect me for that. I've built such a strong relationship with my hiring managers that whenever they have a need, I really invest in it and I invest my team in it. So for me, it doesn't really feel like work. It feels like I'm helping out a friend or lending a hand. And to me, I get that same type of gratification when I fill a staff request as I would just like helping out a friend. It's always mind-blowing to me hearing and learning more about who we are as a company and what we do and how we're changing in the industries that we are in and the people that we're affecting. And so for me, I feel like I'm just so proud to be a small part of all those efforts that go into place to make that happen.